This tutorial is designed for those individuals who do not have experience recording and uploading videos and might not feel comfortable with recording and uploading videos. You might also find this video helpful if you are looking for any tips or tricks to help make your submission better or less stressful. The Gulf Coast Honor Band wants this process to be as easy as possible for you. Step 1. Record your video. If you will be using your phone, please place it on its side for landscape mode. Ensure the microphone is not covered or blocked. If you are using an external microphone, check that it is active and connected. You, your instrument, and associated fingering should be visible in the video. If you are using an external camera with a laptop or computer, check that it is connected and being used. If you are using an external microphone, check that it is connected and being actively used by your device. Test and practice. Watch and listen to your recording, and be sure you are happy with the quality of your recording. For troubleshooting, if your sound quality is distorted, try moving your microphone or recording device further away from you, your sound source. If you can adjust the gain level or recording level, turn that down. Check that you are pointing your bell directly at the microphone. If your sound quality is too soft, move the microphone closer to your instrument. Point your bell directly at the microphone. Adjust record level or gain if you have those settings. Gulf Coast Honor Band requests that you record each of the 3 sections separately. There will be no need to combine the videos and should be submitted individually. Step 2. Upload your video. Before you upload your video, check that you have saved it to your device or computer in a file you can easily find, like on your desktop, that you have reviewed it. While the Gulf Coast Honor Band wants to see your best performance, be sure that you submit something by the deadline of 11:59 p.m. on April 5th. Late submissions will not be evaluated. Step 3. Follow the link to your personal Google Drive folder provided to you. Save your video with the name format of student name - instrument - grade - exercise. For example, your name - alto sax - 11 - etudes. You should be uploading 3 unique videos, one for each section of the audition: chromatic scale, major scales, etudes. Follow the directions from Google Drive to upload. Click the plus new icon and choose Upload File. Open the folder and drag your files from your saved location into Google Drive. And now your last step. Check your upload. Following the provided link to your personal Google Drive folder, open your video files to ensure they are uploaded correctly and to your satisfaction. You can re-upload as many times as necessary as long as your submissions are by the deadline. The Gulf Coast Honor Band hopes this video tutorial has been helpful. Should you have any difficulty with uploading your video or have any questions regarding your audition, please communicate through your school's band director or lesson teacher. If needed, you can communicate with the Gulf Coast Honor Band Committee through our email address, gulfcoasthonorband@gmail.com. We wish you the best of luck on your audition, and thank you for watching.